Let's take a look at this rear differential and hydraulic pump drive assembly off an 8030 series John Deere. We can sell these as this complete unit if you have a complete failure of one or the other and you're looking for the minimal amount of downtime to repair it. This is a better bolt-up option. If that doesn't work for you, we also sell just the differential assembly or the pump drive housing assembly. And if you have a more specific failure internally, we can sell you guys the differentials, the PTO clutches, or the hydraulic pump drives out of this. All the parts inside it come with a 1-year parts warranty on all hard parts in the assemblies. We have these on the shelf ready to go. If you have any other questions, please visit our website at boothilltractorparts.com.